Are you ready to step into the future of cybersecurity? Our Advanced Diploma in Information Security is your gateway to mastering the digital world. So, as you saw, a comprehensive training program covers everything you need to become an industry leader for. From our ethical hacking course to penetration testing course and network security and certified ethical hacker, we cover all aspects. We ensure that you are equipped with all the latest skills and knowledge that is required. So, join our exclusive Advanced Diploma in Information Security batch, which is starting soon. Gain practical exposures and earn your credentials to learn hands-on training from the industry experts. So, don't miss this opportunity to advance your career in cybersecurity today. Enroll now and secure your career with Mrwebsecure. So, what are you waiting for? Call on the given number below.